7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have ignition and liftoff. The Falcon 9 rocket powers the Dragon spacecraft toward the International Space Station, laden with new research for the multinational crew.
Falcon 9 reaches transonic speed. Vehicle will pass through the area of maximum aerodynamic pressure or max-Q at 1 minute 18 seconds after liftoff. This is the point
power and telemetry nominal.
Mechanical stress on the rocket reaches its peak because of the rocket's velocity and resistance created by the Earth's atmosphere.
One minute into flight. Confirmation and Falcon 9 is supersonic. To the top rail as the rocket passes through maximum dynamic pressure. Just over 1 minute left in the flight of the first stage of the Falcon 9. At around 2 minutes 35 seconds into the flight, all 9 engines will sequentially shut down and you'll hear the call MECO, which is main engine cutoff.
And back engine 2.
And back is the second stage Merlin vacuum engine is being chilled for its operation, which will get underway in a little bit more than 30 seconds. Standing by for main engine cutoff.
MECO.
Stage separation confirmed.
MECO and stage separation confirmed. The first stage of the Falcon 9 rocket, having done its job, falls away from the second stage.
And back ignition.
And back ignition, the Merlin vacuum.
After a flawless autonomous flight, the Dragon CRS-15 spacecraft approached the International Space Station on July 2, 2018, from Earth orbit. Dragon gradually emerged against the backdrop of the beautiful blue planet. The Canadarm to robotic arm skillfully captured and berthed the spacecraft into the ISS, marking a successful docking. The crew opened the hatch and began unloading over 2,700 kilograms of valuable cargo, living supplies, ISS support equipment, and a series of advanced scientific experiments such as RISE, which studies particle aggregation in microgravity, and plume, a miniature fluorescence microscope. These experiments helped humanity better understand space and life. After 35 days, Dragon left the ISS on August 3, 2018, carrying approximately 1,700 kilograms of valuable experimental results. The spacecraft deorbited safely, deployed its parachutes, and successfully splashed down over the Pacific Ocean, completing the CRS-15 mission brilliantly.